Good morning, children. Welcome to the moral science class. Today we are going to do a new lesson, lesson number 9, My Motherland. The lesson name is My Motherland. What is there in the lesson? Let's read. We will start from the green box. The one who gives you birth is called your mother. The one who gives you birth is called your mother. The country where you are born is called your motherland. In the country or in that country in which you are born is called not motherland. Okay? Your mama is your mother. She has given you birth. But the country in which you live is your motherland. In which country were you born? What is the name of your motherland? Now, they are asking you in which country you are born and what is the name of your motherland. So, I think the answer you have understood. What would be? Your motherland is India because you are born in India. Na? And the country is India, your motherland is India. Now here name of some children are written. Gurpreet, Anju, Rosie and Asif were all born in India. Gurpreet, Anju, Rosie and Asif all were born in India. India is their motherland. Because their country is India, so India is their motherland. India is also known by some other names like Bharat and Hindustan. Our country has different names. We call our country India and we also call our India Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, these are the children whose names are written here. Gurpreet, Anju, Rosie and Asif. People who belong to India are called Indians. Those who live in India are called Indians. Those who live in other countries, they are called by their names. Like those who live in Japan, they are called Japanese. Those who live in USA, they are called Americans. Those who live in UK, they are called Britishers. So, we are called Indians, we live in India. India is a beautiful country. It is a land of many religions. In our country, there are many religions. Some people are Hindus, some are Muslims, some are Sikh, some are Christians. So, there are different religions in our country. This is the national flag of our country. This is the national flag of our country. It is called the Tiranga. It is called the Tiranga or tricolor. It has different colors: saffron, white and green stripes. It has different colors: saffron, white and green. And it has blue chakra also. It has blue chakra also. It also has the Ashoka chakra. Blue chakra is called Ashoka chakra in the center of the flag. And this chakra has 24 spokes, 24 lines. These lines are 24. This Ashok chakra has 24 spokes, 24 lines. We should respect our national flag. We should respect our national flag as we respect our elders. Same way we should respect our national flag. Means we should not throw here and there our national flag. We should not tear our national, we should not make it dirty. We should not throw it here and there or in the dustbin, or we should not put it on the floor. It should be high in the air. It should fly high and it should not be put down, or it should not be torn. It should not make it be dirty. Now, this is our national flag. What national animal? What is the name of our national animal? Tiger. Every child knows, I think. This is the tiger. It is our national animal of India. It is the national animal of India. The beautiful and brightly colored peacock is the national bird of India. Tiger is national animal of India. Peacock is national bird of India. Now, this is the flower, the lotus. The lotus is the national flower of India. Lotus is the national flower of India. These are our national symbols. What are the national symbols? National animal, national bird, national flower. The national emblem of India. This is national emblem of India. And it is taken from Sarnath, the lion capital of Ashoka. Sarnath temple is in Varanasi. There is one iron made pole. लोहे का एक पोल बना हुआ है जिसके ऊपर ये अशोका चक्र बना है. So this Ashoka chakra has been taken from there and we have named it National Emblem of India. हमने इसका नाम नेशनल एम्बलम ऑफ इंडिया रखा है. और ये कहाँ पर है? ये सारनाथ टेम्पल वाराणसी में एक बहुत बड़ा अशोक का पोल है, आयरन मेड पोल है जिसके ऊपर ये बना हुआ है. वहाँ से ये इसका पिक्चर लिया गया है और इसको नेशनल एम्बलम बताया गया. क्या बताया गया है? नेशनल एम्बलम ऑफ इंडिया. आवर नेशनल एंथम इज जन गण मन. Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man, which you sing every day in the assembly after the prayer. That Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. Our national anthem Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Who has written this song? Rabindranath Tagore, the poet has written. It is sung on national festivals. This national anthem we sing in national festivals like 26th January or Republic Day or Independence Day or 2nd October. These are our national festivals. On those days we sing our Jan Gan Man song and we sing every day in the school, in the assembly also. Gurpreet, Anju, Rosie and Asif all feel proud to sing the national anthem. We all say, this Gurpreet, Anju, Rosie and Asif feel proud or we all feel proud when we sing national anthem. हमें बहुत प्राउड फील होता है, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, हमें अपनी कंट्री के ऊपर बहुत नाज होता है, प्राउड फील करते हैं हम जब हम नेशनल एंथम सिंग करते हैं. Now it is written here, they feel proud to sing the national anthem in the school's morning assembly. They are proud to be Indians. They are proud to be Indians and we all are proud to be Indians. Gurpreet, Rosie, Anju and Asif feel proud. They are Indians and we all Indians. हम लोग भी proud feel करते हैं क्योंकि हम भी Indian हैं. हमें अपनी country पर बहुत proud है, बहुत नाज है ना? So children, read this lesson. See what is written in reflection. Let's read this also. We should respect our country and take pride in our motherland. Means we should feel proud. We should also respect the national symbols and national anthem. These are the national symbols, the tiger, the lotus and the peacock. And this is national emblem and national song Jan Gan Man. All these are our national symbols and national song. Okay. Children, you read this lesson. Okay. This is your homework. Read lesson number 9, My Motherland. Read 2-3 times at least. Whatever you don't understand, ask the elders at home. And do reading of the lesson nicely. We will do question answers and the exercises of the text in the next class. Okay, till then, bye bye.